This usually relates to Team Foundation Server, TFS version control. It might be a temporary file or configuration. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the system. If you frequently deal with unusual TFS file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. The TFS file extension is associated with two distinct applications. Primarily, it designates data files used by Borland's Turbo Profiler, a performance analysis tool for software development. Additionally, TFS can indicate a form store file, potentially containing structured data related to user input or application settings. The specific context depends on the software environment where the file is encountered. The internal structure of a TFS file varies depending on its usage. When associated with Turbo Profiler, it likely contains profiling data such as function call counts and execution times, stored in a proprietary binary format. As a form store, the file may utilize a structured format like XML or a custom binary layout to represent form fields and their corresponding values. Reverse engineering may be necessary for full understanding. Turbo Profiler, engineered by Borland, is the application of choice for TFS. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system. Windows cannot read natively. Windows displays only limited attributes, so meaningful access depends on the tool that created the file. We are checking for a viable reader. Right-click your TFS file and select Open With. Use Turbo Profiler if installed. If it's not there, try a different program. We need to find the correct decoder. When a TFS file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent TFS problem. First, use Turbo Profiler. Open the file using Borland Turbo Profiler, the required application for the debugging data. Next, check version. Ensure your Turbo Profiler version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, open as text. Open the TFS file in a text editor to view the raw data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.